Good morning. I've got one cord of firewood delivered this morning. So my job today and maybe tomorrow is to get as much of this inside the shed as I can. The first order of business is getting everything out of the shed. It seems that whenever I have space, it gets filled with objects. So I've got a weed whacker in there, I've got my chainsaw and some old kind of rotten wood. So we'll get that moved and then we'll start stacking the new wood. Alright, this is the first stack of wood inside the shed, right to the top. And we're starting the second row. This is what the pile looks like now. It's a little bit smaller, it's hard to tell. Well, I made progress today. Took a big bite out of it. The wood stacked inside the shed. There's 3 rows to the right of the door, which maybe you can see when I come over here. There's some up and back there. So what I'm trying to decide to do is whether to put another row where that package of shingles is, and then I'd keep the inside open because I have to put my propane tanks and my generator in there, and they should fit in that area in the middle. So I think that's what I'll do. So I'll get one more row on that side stacked up to the ceiling, and there may be a little bit left over of this cord. And if there is, I'll stack it next to the shed on some pieces of wood. So progress today. It's getting smaller. I'm so excited because finally I have some dry wood to burn come heating season. Keep me warm. So we are done. All the wood has been stacked inside the shed. Left an opening there so I can put my propane canisters in there and my generator. Those buckets on the right there, those are scraps of wood I'll use for kindling, and that's what's left of the wood pile. I'll get a rake and clean that up. So yeah, got plenty of firewood now too. Thanks for watching. See you at the cabin next time.